Today we're trying something new. Instead of on my head, recording my chest. Let's see if it works better that way. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If we should stick it on my chest or leave it on the head for better view. Anyways, scrapping a pull pump. Let's see if it's worth taking apart. Let's get started. Got the top off. Some insulated copper wire, little board. Got the top off. Still got its cord. I wonder if that's copper or aluminum in there. We'll have to find out. We'll have to find out. That's all. Now we gotta figure out how to get the motor off. Battery died. Good thing you make two. That one's stripped. This thing's making me fight. Fight for it. Only way I know, take the grinder, cut through here. Because them are stripped. So let's do it, I guess. Scale's on 0. 13 pounds and 9 ounces. Got a little bit of cast aluminum. 6 ounces. If you can see it. 5 ounces. Cast aluminum. Some screws and bolts. Wasn't much, but all adds up. Get all this stuff out, I'll be back. Cut this off from a copper ball. Get the little brass ends out of it and the copper on the inside. Cut this from the other extension cords. I got the dishwasher filled up. Getting there. Well, y'all, we got another mail call. Let's see what's in this. Well, looks like they sent me a rolled up piece of toilet paper. And some priority mail. That's sweet. I like that. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. I'll keep that forever. You see that? Like, subscribe, keep scrapping, y'all. Scrapman69. I'll keep that forever. I appreciate it. I also got one that says That's Right Recycling and Scorpion on it. That's what that side says, the other coin. And that one says That's Right Recycling Scorpion. Two great scrappers. I'll put their link in the channel. Go check them out. And I appreciate the stuff. I appreciate it. Send me a card. Says like, subscribe, keep scrapping, y'all. I appreciate it. I like it. I love the coin. I'm gonna keep that coin forever. That's freaking awesome. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it.